distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to you all.
Welcome to the museum and a wonderful exhibition from Chongqing, China. Tonight we're celebrating the opening of From Steep Hillsides, Dazu rock carvings.
Good evening, ni hao. It's a great pleasure to be here this evening on what is such an important event. We are very much aware that it's a great honour to be able to exhibit the Dazu rock carvings for the first time outside of China. It truly is a fantastic tribute to the dedication and the ability of all those over many centuries who created the carvings themselves.
These rock carvings are one of the great world art treasures. They're also, for me, fascinating because of the interweaving of different philosophical traditions: Confucianism, Taoism, Buddhism, at a very special moment artistically in China.
What does Dazu mean? Da means big, Zu means plenty. Big plenty is very plentiful. So that is Dazu. Perhaps harmonious is a better word. Those three religions stay and merge with each other. It is a harmoniously blend of the three. That is what we Chinese call harmony between man and nature.
I would like to do one thing, and that is to congratulate the National Museum of Wales and Chongqing, because this is a world first. I don't know if, having heard everything that's been said, how much you appreciate the extraordinary nature of this exhibition. These rock carvings have not come to Europe ever before, and that is an astounding privilege for all of us in Britain.
24年前，也就是1987年，被誉为美国历史上最伟大的国务卿的基辛格博士，在参观大足石刻时留下了以下的题词：我到过世界上很多地方，这里是最生动和最精美的露天博物馆，令人不可思议。中国人真了不起，到了中国不看大足石刻将是一个遗憾。然而令人遗憾的是，这样一座具有崇高地位和独特价值的艺术宝库，却长期淹没在荒草野岭中。直到1999年，大足石刻被联合国教科文组织列入世界遗产名录，才真正使其蕴含的令人不可思议的人类文明和人文主义光辉受到世人的广泛关注。
It's a great honour for the National Museum of Wales as well to be able to exhibit what are extremely important artefacts in the cultural history of the world. And I know that the people of Wales very much value the fact that they have in their midst for the next 3 months such items of great cultural value.